Imagine earning an extra $300 per month online from the comfort of your home. Picture yourself sipping on your favorite beverage, lounging in your favorite chair, all while generating income with just a few clicks. It's not a dream, it's a reality for many. And it could be your reality too. In this digital era, the internet isn't just a tool for communication or entertainment. It's a vast marketplace, a global platform teeming with opportunities for anyone with a computer and a connection. Today, we'll be telling the story of Jane, a regular individual like you and me who successfully started earning $300 per month online. Jane was an office worker, spending her 9 to 5 in a cubicle, dreaming of a more flexible lifestyle. She had heard about people making money online, but she wasn't sure where to start. That's when she stumbled upon the realm of online freelance work. She realized her skills in graphic design, honed over years of hobby practice, could be her ticket to the online income she was seeking. Jane began her journey by setting up her profile on various online freelance platforms. She showcased her portfolio, highlighted her skills, and set her rates. At first, work was slow and she faced rejection, but Jane was persistent. She understood that establishing yourself online takes time. She kept refining her profile, bidding on projects, and steadily she began to land jobs. As she completed projects, she received reviews and ratings from her clients. These reviews were crucial. They were her online reputation, the deciding factor for many potential clients. As her reputation grew, so did her client base. And before she knew it, Jane was making an extra $300 a month, all from the comfort of her home. But Jane didn't stop there. She continued to learn, improve her skills, and expand her services. She ventured into other areas like social media management and content creation. As a result, her income grew, and she was able to leave her 9-to-5 job and focus solely on her online freelance career. In summary, Jane's story teaches us several key points. 1. Identify your skills. You might have a skill that is in demand online. It could be anything from writing to graphic design to social media management. 1. Establish your online presence. Create profiles on freelance platforms, showcase your portfolio, and set competitive rates. 1. Persist. It takes time to build a reputation and client base online. Don't get discouraged by initial rejections. 1. Expand your skills. The digital world is dynamic and ever-changing. Always be open to learning and expanding your services. 1. Reviews matter. They are your online reputation. Always strive to deliver quality work and earn positive reviews. Jane's journey from office worker to successful online freelancer is not unique. It's a journey that many have embarked on and succeeded. And it's a journey that you can embark on too. You have the skills. You have the tools. All you need is the determination to take that first step. So why wait? Your journey to earning an extra $300 per month online starts today.